Section 200! Find the hole in your front! Front fire!
Hi folks, just a quick tutorial on the Arma 3Sync repository for Merican, or just Arma 3Sync in general if you've come across my video. Hope everybody is well. Coronavirus is still going on, so be interesting to see what happens on Monday when Boris makes his statement in the UK, but I hope everybody's well apart from that, and everybody's getting on just fine. I'll leave the link in the description for the Armaholic website where I got this got the Arma 3Sync installer from, and we'll go ahead and we'll install it to the computer, and we'll run through on what you need to do. So we'll just go through and install just a standard install. This is very self-explanatory. Create a desktop icon, easy access to it, and we'll go ahead and launch it straight off. So it'll launch Arma 3Sync and it'll be completely blank, as you can see. It will normally find your Arma 3 directory automatically, and you can tell if it's done that by going to add-on options, and you should see add-on search directory, and in here you should see your Arma 3 directory. As you can see, it hasn't on mine, so I need to press plus. It's populated this automatically. I would then just go through and find it, press open, and that is where the mods are going to install to. So as you can see, any add-ons that would already be there would be displayed, and it's displayed the workshop and the workshop mods that are installed there. The next job you need to do is go to repositories, press the little plus key just there, and for the Merican group, if you're joining us, the website just here, you'll need to go into community, the community tab. You'll need to log in as yourself, and then you'll normally have a notification from Perscom, and it will say welcome to Merican, here are some documents to help get you started, which you should already have read, because that's how you'll get to this video if you're joining us. As you can see, it tells you all about the unit and joining, and in particular the mod set. So the autoconfig URL is the section you will need. You'll need the bit in bold, the FTTP link, copy and paste that into the public autoconfig URL. Do not put anything in repository name, just press import. It will say connecting to repository, connected successfully, and press OK. It will then synchronize the repository, and you will then be able to start downloading all of the modifications required. This can take a little while. It's normally relatively quick though. As you can see, it gives you a status, and I always put notify and automatically update. So notify me when there's updates. So it says updated because I haven't got any of the mods in the main folder. Then I will go ahead and click the little down arrow just here, the little connect to repository arrow, and it will take me through to this screen. I will then be able to see in red with a little warning triangle all the mods that I need. I'll then click on those and then press play. As you can see, 40 gigabytes entire mod pack. It will then go through, and depending on your internet speed, it will give you the stats there on how quickly it's going to be. You'll then just leave that, and then when they are fully installed, I will demonstrate for you. I'll be right back with you. Okay folks, so once you've completed the downloading marathon of installing the mod pack, this is what it will look like. All of these little white sort of Lego bricks will show up, showing you that they're all installed and ready to go. All the plugins are ready to go. and if you go to the repositories tab, you can check it. It will say status OK, so that's green. You're good to go. You can then start the game by launching your relevant add-ons, or press a refresh there. You can launch the game through Arma FreeSync. I prefer doing it through Steam. And going to mods, and then selecting the relevant mods just in the list there by loading them up. They won't appear automatically if you do it this way, so you need to go to local mod, find your Arma 3 directory, and then you will select those folders and they will pop up in the available mods, and then you just click to load them, and then you press play. But as I say, it's sometimes easier to do it through Arma FreeSync if you prefer. I just prefer to do it this way. I hope that's helpful. We'll see you on the other side and see if you're phase 1 and phase 2 if you're joining 2Mercian. Best of luck, and hope everybody keeps well. Bye bye.